Discover Switzerland Appenzells cows, Lucern's magic, and Lauterbrunnen's beauty beckon. Diverse experiences from rural authenticity through cultural richness to breathtaking nature, a journey that will satisfy every explorer.
The Appenzeller cow, renowned for its striking beauty and distinctive markings, originates from Switzerland. With a sleek brown coat and a bell around its neck, this cow symbolizes the Swiss countryside's charm and tradition.
Switzerland. Lauterbrunnen, with its stunning Storbark Falls, embodies the Swiss enchantment. Nestled in the Alps, it's a Swiss marvel that captures nature's beauty and charm like no other.
Lucerne is a magical city by the Lake of the Four Cantons in Switzerland. Its charm lies in the beautiful bridges, such as Kapellbrücke and Spurbrücke, which tell stories of past times, creating an unforgettable atmosphere. Geneva, the most well-known city in Switzerland, enchants with its international atmosphere, beautiful Lake Geneva, and iconic Jet d'eau fountain, making it a truly distinctive and lively destination.
The Matterhorn, embodying beauty and steadfastness, stands as a proud symbol of Switzerland. Its presence serves as a reminder of the force of nature, while Zermatt, nestled at the foot of the mountain, offers unforgettable experiences for those seeking to delve into the mysteries of the alpine world. Zurich, a symbol of Swiss precision. Its financial acumen and vibrant cultural scene attract professionals worldwide, fostering growth and collaboration. The Landwasser Viaduct is an iconic railway bridge in Switzerland, part of the renowned Glacier Express route. Its unique design and picturesque location in the Alps attract travelers from around the world, serving as a symbol of railway excellence and the charm of alpine landscapes. The Rhine Falls stand as a captivating water wonder in Europe, harmoniously blending the elegance of nature with cultural significance. Over millennia, the course of the Rhine has sculpted these regal cascades, giving rise to breathtaking panoramas and attracting travelers. St. Moritz, nestled in picturesque Alps, is an unparalleled hub for winter sports. As a global #1, it draws athletes and enthusiasts alike. Luxury and passion reign supreme in this unique place, creating an atmosphere that's hard to overlook. Bern, the capital of Switzerland, is renowned for its well-preserved old town, brimming with historical treasures. Its charming alleys, medieval buildings, and the Zitglogge astronomical clock are just a fraction of this beautiful heritage. Bern's old town offers travelers an unforgettable journey through time, where culture and history intertwine in a magical way. The Lech Glacier, the Alps' largest, is undeniable evidence of irreversible climate change in Switzerland. Its dramatic melt and retreat directly testify to the growing impact of global warming. This alarming signal emphasizes the urgent need for environmental protection to preserve the unique alpine landscapes for future generations. Chillon Castle, idyllically perched on the shores of Lake Geneva, is a gem of history and architecture. Its fortified walls, ominous dungeons, and stunning views offer a captivating journey through time, enchanting visitors with its unique beauty. Furka Pass is more than just a mountain pass. It offers a spectacular view of the Rhone Glacier and the historic Hotel Belvedere, creating a unique journey to the heart of the Alps. Immerse yourself in the most magnificent panorama of the Alps at Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe, thanks to the Sphinx. This unique experience will allow you to delve into the beauty of the mountains, creating an unparalleled encounter with alpine nature. It's worth noting that this is the most expensive entrance in Switzerland, reaching an altitude of 3,454 meters. The Cobwheel Railway to Jungfraujoch is a remarkable engineering achievement. It allows reaching the highest railway station in Europe, known as the Top of Europe. In conclusion, Switzerland exudes unparalleled natural beauty and a rich cultural history. From picturesque alpine peaks to charming towns, the country offers unforgettable experiences to anyone who visits. It's a place where modernity intertwines with tradition, creating a unique and captivating world. Switzerland is more than just a country, it's an experience that will forever remain in the hearts of travelers.